Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows, columns, customize what you want to see in Google Sheets, and how to unfreeze rows and columns once you're done. Let's jump right into it. When you freeze in Google Sheets or even Excel, it doesn't actually lock your spreadsheet from people editing it. It actually just locks the rows in certain columns. So right here, we're scrolling down, and if we eventually want to keep row 1, then when I scroll down, we don't see it. We're going to go ahead and lock that. Let's go ahead and start with the most common option, which would be freezing the top row. So we're going to go ahead to the menu and click on View, and then click on Freeze. There are several options here, but we're going to go ahead and choose one row. And then you're going to see this gray line appear beneath the first row. So now when you scroll even all the way down, this first row will stay put. If you want to freeze the first 2 rows, you can even go back and just click on 2 rows and it'll automatically select the first 2 rows. If you want to go ahead and unfreeze, then go to Freeze and No Rows. That will remove the gray bar and it will just go back to the original state. This is very similar if you want to go ahead and freeze the first column. Same thing, you want to go into View, Freeze, and then select column. So first column, 2 columns, and it will look like this. So when we go left to right, you can go ahead and see that C disappears because we don't have that frozen, and we can just go back and forth and still be able to reference columns A and B. We're going to go ahead and unfreeze that one. Another simple way you could do it is if you want to freeze, like say this whole like A through E, go ahead and highlight all of that. Same thing, freeze, and then we're doing columns here. And then it'll automatically have it highlighted up to column E. And now column F will disappear when we scroll to the right. Now I have to show you the easier method. This box right here has 2 selectable gray bars, and you can go ahead and actually drag them. So if I want to go between 10 and 11, and that will go ahead and freeze these rows and columns right here. And that's how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. If this video did help you out, please drop a like, comment maybe even below to say it helped. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.